We are developing VCG.AI, a data platform for the development of circular value chains and business models. We are here to really, push and accelerate the deployment of these profitable but still climate positive solutions with the industry. And we use a data-driven approach so that we can find and validate the best possible solutions for each individual production process, like, for example, what we did with our industrial partner here, the brewery Laško Union. We had this close collaboration with the industry partner, and both, let's say, and we use this project to both develop the database as well as our smart matching algorithms. With the project partner, we both tested the system together, and we just tested the process, as well as that we identified a couple valuable solutions that the partner is right now already exploring to actually implement. And the solutions that we identified could add hundreds of thousands of euros to their annual profit line, as well as drastically reduce their Scope 3 CO2 footprint. And we believe that using this data-driven approach and a holistic approach is the only way to actually make a scalable impact. And using this system, we can do so by supporting thousands of companies at the same time in improving on their circularity. And this way, I believe that we provide a very innovative approach and a very innovative solution to the market.
Our organization is the biggest brewery in Slovenia, with about approximately 2 million hectoliters annual production of beer. So sustainability strategy is one of the main part of our corporate strategy called Evergreen. And we put a big attention and a lot of efforts towards circularity among the environmental pillar, and also covering social pillar and promoting responsible consumption. VCG company, I can say that played a big role and making a good support in this project. So I can say that they opened the doors, especially with using this artificial intelligence, so digital tool in this case. Brewery, we have improving our digital technology among all departments, and also in our supply chain, so in our production segment. So for our organization, it's important to see these opportunities in collaboration also externally, especially in sharing good practices and knowledge among different external stakeholders. I think that these solutions will be also applicable not just for the brewery segment, but also for the other industry.